Looking for a change of scenery. So we left the other anchorage where we rode out our little squall and came south here about 6 miles. About 6 miles. We found this cool anchorage here. Look at where they have these little ramps where they take their fishing boats up into these little shelters. Every time I zoom in, it makes me seasick. So this is also the island of Formentera. We came here to get out of this unexpected little swell that popped up over here. Not on the forecast, but it's tolerable. Would you say, honey?
Oh yeah, it's quite comfortable, thank you.
Do you like this spot?
It's alright, it's a nice change.
Change of scenery.
Yeah.
That island over there is Ibiza. And I don't know, are we heading there tomorrow?
If not that, the day after. I don't know yet.
And do you want to go on the outside of Formentera and go check out Blue Bar that Dieter said we need to check out?
Yeah, maybe. Depending on the weather.
So we may head out and go around this point and then head around the outside of the island and then go over and do Ibiza for a few days. And then we're gonna go to Mallorca. And we decided that we're gonna fly Falicia and Kai in to Mallorca, into Palma, and we'll pick them up there. Oh look, here we go. We go and roll a little bit. Oh look, even the big boy's rolling over there. Yeah, so we're gonna fly the kids over there. And then they'll be with us and help us with our overnight 190-mile crossing to Sardinia. Look at all these little cedar trees over here. Is that the rock you were talking about over there, babe? That one?
No, down here.
Down here's a rock? Is it deep?
Looks deep enough.
Okay, good. All right. More cool anchorages. Aloha.